Hello students, hope you are going very well through the last topic I explained in my last video. Today I explain some applications of trigonometry. Example number 3rd. Here is an observer 1.5 meter tall, as like this is the observer 1.5 meter. Let these points are A and B. Away from chimney, the angle of elevation of top of chimney, observer यहाँ से observe करेगा. So let this is the chimney and the top of chimney from his eyes is 45 degree. So this is the angle of 45 degree. This is the angle of elevation or angle of depression?
Angle of elevation.
What is the height of chimney? We have to find the height of chimney from the end point of A, B, C and D, from the end point of CD, and let this point is E. Here AB and DE are parallel lines. Similarly BD and AE are also parallel lines. Then according to it we have to adjust. This is the value of 1.5 meters, same, because this is a rectangle according to it, and according to it this is the same length. And let this side is, we have to find height of chimney. Let this is the point X. CE is equal to X meter. Then we can adjust here first of all in triangle E. ACE के अकॉर्डिंग हम वो 28.5 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम चिमनी है. 28.5 मीटर इज़ द वैल्यू. दिस वन observer is 28.5 meter from the chimney. 28.5 meter. This side is given to us and we have to find this side. अगर x find कर लिया then we can add both of these terms and find the height of chimney. Now we have to adjust here question number 3rd. Let CE is equal to x meter and here AE is equal to what? 28.5 meter, and ABCD is a rectangle, so AB is equal to ED, that is equal to 1.5 meter. Now we have to adjust in triangle ACE. By which trigonometric term? We have to adjust here something by something is equal to something 45 degree. Trigonometric ratio कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया जाएगा इसमें? Here we have to find x and base is given to us. Then the value is CE upon AE. P upon B is equal to what? Perpendicular. Tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree is equal, tan 45 degree is equal to trigonometric ratios according to particular angles. You have to adjust the table, and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Then we have CE is equal to 28.5 meters, and we have to find CD, that is CE plus DE. CE value of x, and we have find here x is equal to, that is the value x. X is equal to 28.5 plus ED is equal to 1.5. Then total value is here 30 meter. So height of chimney is 30 meter from the base point. This is the answer. Clear now? And I will explain one more example here. from a point P on ground at the angle of elevation of top of 10-meter tall building. Let this is the building 10-meter tall. Angle of elevation of top of 10 of tall meter building is, this is the angle of elevation of top of building 30 degrees sorry, and a flag is hoisted at the top of building. Let this is the flag. Clear? Hoisted at the top of building and angle of elevation of top of flagstaff. Flagstaff के top के according angle जो है that is equal to this full angle. Clear? This is the angle 45 degree. Then find the length of flagstaff. We have to find here this point, this one only. Clear? This is 10 meter tall building. ये हमें साइड गिवन है तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग बेस फाइंड हो सकता है अपने पास. वी कैन फाइंड बेस बाय, let these points are A, B, C and this is point D. We can adjust triangle ABC, we can find AB, and according to triangle ABD, AB is given to us, AB find कर लेंगे हम. तो इस AB के अकॉर्डिंग this full side we can find. अब इस full side के जो side आएगी उसमें से 10 माइनस कर देंगे. Then this is the height of length of flagstaff. Clear? That we have to find. Find the length of flagstaff and distance of building from point P. तो यहाँ पे अपने पास P point is this. इस point को हमें P ही assume करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि given है question में, right? And distance of flagstaff from point P we have to adjust here. We have to find now which are the angles here. Example number 4, angle CPB is equal to 30 degree and angle DPB is equal to what? DPB full angle कितना है ये बड़े वाला?
90.
Where is 90? This angle is DPB. This angle.
45.
Yes. Now we have to adjust here. CB is equal to 10 meters. Height of building. Now in triangle BPC, BC upon PB, this angle is given. Adjacent side of angle is base and opposite side of angle is height. Means perpendicular upon base is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base P upon B tan angle, which angle is here according to BPC?
45.
What 45? BPC. This is the
35.
triangle.
35.
This is not 35. This is 30 degree only. Tan 30 degree. And tan 30 degree we have to find 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root of 3 by 2 and 1, then 1, root of 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. 0, 30 डिग्री की वैल्यू ये होएगी. तो साइन बाय कॉज इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 1 बाय रूट ऑफ 3. क्लियर? 2 and 2 कैंसल्ड. Then its value is BC is equal to 10 by PB is equal to, we have to find, that is 1 by root 3. That means cross multiplying PB is equal to 10 root 3 and root of 3 is given to us here 1.732. Then we can adjust here 10 into 1.732, that is 17.32 is the distance of building from the base point. ठीक है? So that is distance of building from point P. एक तो हमें ये फाइंड करना था 17.32 मीटर. सेकेंड पॉइंट that we have to find. And now we have to find length of flagstaff. How we find length of flagstaff? Now we adjust here triangle BPD. Now in triangle BPD, what should we adjust here? one term we have to given, second term we have to find. Given is BP and to find is BD. BD में से इतना पॉइंट गिवन है तो ये फाइंड करना है ना, PC DC. तो we have to adjust here DB upon PB is equal to tan of what?
16.
tan of according to triangle BPD. जो ट्राइंगल लिया उसी का एंगल एडजस्ट करेंगे. इस ट्राइंगल 45 डिग्री. तो tan कैसे लिया? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. तो व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 45? दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ 45. बोथ आर कैंसल्ड हियर. दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. दैट मीन्स BD is equal to, we have to adjust here DC plus 10 by PB is here 17.32 is equal to 1. Now we have to adjust this on the right side. It will be DC is equal to 17.32. This on the right side multiply, and this 10 on the right side will be. अगर confusion है तो पहले ये 10 इधर ही रहने दो. Now we have to adjust 10 on the right side. It will be
DC is equal to 17.32
minus 10, and this minus this is equal to 17.32. That is the length of Flagstaff is equal to 17.32 meters. Now you have to solve near about 7.32 meters is the answer. Now you have to solve near about half questions of this exercise. There are 16 questions. You can solve near about 8 or 9. Thank you.